to another video. Welcome back to another vlog. I just realized I don't have a mic on the camera, so I don't know how this audio is gonna sound. Might sound terrible, might sound bad, but it'll be fixed in just a second. But anyway, I have so much to do today. It is currently 9 o'clock in the morning and I have to be somewhere by 2, so we have a lot to get done in just a couple hours. All right, y'all, so for starters, last night I took off my spoiler because I wanted to lay down a little more flatter, so I went and got thinner tape and all that. The garage is literally a mess because I was working on the car last night and just things literally everywhere. But can y'all see? Y'all probably can't see how dirty the freaking M5 is, bro. Like, can y'all see it? Now it just looks good on camera. Y'all see it? Oh, there you go. All the dirt and all the nastiness on the M5. So obviously, look at that. Y'all can't even really see it. That's the most annoying thing about it. There it is. All in all, guys, we need to clean the M5. I raised the back of the car because I forgot to record, but I did get new rear tires because, boy, these things were bald. But look at this. Barely any freaking fitment in there. But we did get some new tires. And these are Pirellis. I'm not a big fan of Pirellis, but I got these for a really good deal. Literally brand new. Look. Brand new meat. On both sides. So I can't really complain. Let me show y'all. This is the tire. I'm gonna show you guys the tire that I was riding on. This right here is the tire I was literally riding on. Like, these things are bald as heck, but I did keep it just in case like a tire blows out. I have an emergency tire. All right, yo, the M5 is all cleaned up. Very happy. I got the radar hardwired back in because I didn't do that. And then I did not put the spoiler back on yet. I'm gonna just ride it clean today. Maybe I'll put it back on in a little bit. I don't know. We'll see. But let's go get into everything else we gotta do. What's the deal, YouTube, man? Welcome back to another video. Well, it's the same video. Later on in the day, man, I'm not gonna lie. I have not been driving a car, y'all, because the tires I put on there are completely garbage, bro. I put Pirellis on there, and I shouldn't have put Pirellis. It was my fault. I wasn't paying attention, got the wrong tires, and the tires are completely freaking trash, bro. And then I went up a size. I went up to 295, 3520, and they are garbage. But right now, I'm about to put some Michelin's on. I would buy new tires, y'all, but I'm not gonna spoil nothing, but it's a reason I'm not buying new tires, man. So I'm about to let these boys go ahead and mount these tires up, get these tires on, make sure it look good and everything. But yeah, that's what's been going on. That's why the videos. But I'm vlogging today. We outside today. We getting active, man. So let's go ahead and get these tires mounted, and that's it. And look at these videos, because I've been burning these tires off, honestly, because they're trash. So look at these videos. To the meet, and every time, y'all, when there's a meet, why is there an accident, right? Bro, no way, dude went over the guardrail. Bro, oh my goodness, the car is flipped. Oh, y'all couldn't see that. Oh, there you go. That is insane. But we are headed to the meet. We are 15 minutes away. So I pick up the camera when we get back over there. What is the deal, y'all? So we have made it to the meet, bro. I'm finally back outside. So we got my M5, boy rack M5. Okay, hold on, put that thing. Oh, that thing look good, twin. That thing look good, twin. We got some G80s, a Mustang, and some more M cars down there too, man.
Yeah, that self parking like I got you ahead.
Exactly, he ain't got that though.
Oh, dang.
Hey, you can't drive, bro.
He ain't gonna make it happen.
You can't drive. Hey, bring it. Hey, bring it out and put it all the way towards the curb. Huh? Let me do it.
Sure?
Yeah, come on.
Okay, man.
Hold my camera.
All right.
See, I won't put it. I got it first try too. Make sure you record.
All right, let's set up.
Well, I could've helped you, bro. I could've bagged it up for you. You should've slid it in.
All right, so we has to parallel park for you. You know, I'm not from New York and shit.
Cause I like my car. Oh, you got it.
That bitch a big body, bro.
Made it work, bro. Look, bro, I'm gonna need you. Need you to go get some glasses.
Glasses.
Somebody need to take your keys, gang.
Hey, I'm not from New York, gang.
Look, bro, I'm not either.
Y'all niggas from New York.
No, they not. No, they not. Y'all better look. They better look. Appreciate it. He got Bluestone Metallic. I'm Skyscraper Gray.
I'm gonna say air conditioning.
Yeah. Hey, only if you know, you know. Like it looked like if we just driving by, it looked the same.
Look at, you gotta pay attention.
That shit, boy. Where Frank go? Oh, damn, why y'all let somebody take his spot?
Nah, I'm good.
Oh. That nigga came big 170. What is up, YouTube? Obviously, it's been many days later, man. But look, same video. Right now, I'm doing free labor, as always, helping Racky install some intakes on his car, right? And I don't mind because it's my boy. But I don't get paid for this. He don't give me nothing. Not a bag of chips, something to drink, a chicken wing, a chicken sandwich, a watermelon. He don't give me nothing. I do all this for free. So right now, what I need y'all to do is spam the comments, Racky Pay Tez, bro. RPT, Racky Pay Tez, bro. I need y'all to spam that in the comments because, bro, I'm not gonna keep doing this labor for free, bro. I did all my work on my own. I did it by myself. And I'm here helping this man for free. Y'all feel me? Anyway, man, right now, he got some front mount intakes. So obviously I'm doing all the work, taking off his front mount intakes. This should realistically be a 30-minute job because I already know what I'm doing. But I know one thing he doesn't have that is gonna hinder us a lot, which is WD-40, because we need that to slide forward. And I know he doesn't have it. Hey, you got WD-40? I got something like that. What does bro mean he has something like that? What does that even mean? Bro is a bozo. Anyway, bro, let me help him. And then I'm gonna show y'all the finished product because it's his video. So I'm about to cook up. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to cook. Y'all about to see me, you know what I'm saying? But let me help bro real quick. YouTube, man, it's been days on days. Please don't be mad at me. Please. Look at me. How could you be mad at this? I just got a haircut. Y'all know I get a weekly haircut. Just got the freaking car wash. We are going to a car meet tonight. Last night, Racky blew a tire, bro. Bro literally blew a tire, bro. He literally blew a tire. He hit a pothole, whole tire gone. So I had to rescue him last night, save him last night, get everything done. You know what I'm saying? Be a good friend. I was out with him because I had to help him install his intakes, y'all. So I got with him, I helped him install his intakes. That was around 4 o'clock, right? So we depart each other around 12, 12:30, you know, we finished up everything, went got food, and then he texted me as soon as I get home, bro. Said, I just blew a tire. And me being me, I'm not gonna leave my homie out. Like, that's just not me, bro. I'm not gonna leave my homie dangling in the street, bro. I'm gonna help him as much as I can, do what I can to, you know, make sure he's straight. But, so now we are out today, and it is currently I don't even know. Y'all know how to read this time? I don't. It looked like almost 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, about 4:30 right now. About right. 4:24. Let's go. Anyways, we're about to go get food. I'm waiting on him to pull up here. I done got my car washed. This took a whole hour. I done got my car washed. I'm chilling now, and he's still not here, bro. So, matter of fact, let's call him and see where he at. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hey, how far are you, bro?
22 minutes.
All right, so as y'all saw, we are just gonna go straight to the wealthy place. Me and Racky, like, no weird stuff, bro. Me and Racky are like this. Like, we are so synced up. When he eats, I eat. Like, we be on the same, like, we on the same schedule. It's so crazy how we like matched up. I don't know, but that's my dog. Don't ever think it's not, man. But anyway, man, look at the car. It's all clean. That thing is clean. Tire shine on. Everything all good. Like, ooh, wait. I'm about to get some B-roll. Hold on. Enjoy. Also, I took the spoiler off my car. I think it looks way cleaner without it. I probably already said this in the video, but I had to reiterate it to y'all to make sure y'all really knew. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, I'm about to fuel up on petroleum because I have no petroleum. So we're about to do that, and we're gonna head to get something to eat. But the M5 is just looking mean, clean machine, dude. I love y'all, man. Thank y'all for all the love and support, for real. Yo, $5 a gallon for premium. That car will be on E before I did that. What's the deal, YouTube, man? I'm upset right now because what just happened, Rap?
He just lost his splitter, man.
$1,200 front lip literally just broke off. It is what it is. Part of the game. Not gonna lie though, I am irritated about it, but we have reached a meet. I got some people here that I know, but I don't even feel like talking, y'all. It's just like, I'm not mad about the lip. I'm mad at like when it happened. You know what I'm saying? Like,
the vlog's still gonna be entertaining though.
Yeah, the vlog for sure gonna still be entertaining, but it just had to happen like right as we were coming here, so it was just like a big inconvenience. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, nevertheless, I'm gonna show you some of the car. Y'all already know what we're getting into, man. But I need to fix my move first. Be back. Y'all couldn't see, but y'all heard everything. That was nothing to clap about.
I know.
Yeah, that was nothing to clap about. All right, so I never showed y'all the front lip off the car, but it looks so sad. It's so depressing, bro. I already ordered another one. It is what it is. $1,200 could have went elsewhere, but it's going to another lip. I will be more careful and treat that lip way better. It is what it is. I had previously scratched it up anyway, so I'll just deal with it. But yeah, this is the lip now, and it's very annoying.